Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Colors name. Light green color. Light green color. Light grey color. Light grey color. Brown color. Brown color. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Light green color. Dark brown color or chocolate color. Light brown color. Light brown color. What is this? This is burger. Red color. Tomato ketchup. Red color. Red color. So now our meal is ready. Yummy, yummy food. Yummy, yummy food. Light green color. Light green color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Red color. Red color. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Dark blue color. Dark blue color. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. Yellow color. Light yellow color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Purple color. Purple color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Orange color. F. F for fish. F for fish. And at last, green colors for small leaves. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. ABCD 1 to 3. Till then, bye.